Yeah, to be honest, crypto in a way doesn't
Oh,
always, but can absolve all. And the reason why I mean crypto can absolve all, what I mean by that is you can make a lot of financial mistakes, but as long as you're in one of the faster vehicles to bring you back, like you can get back on your feet real fast. And like, not even joking, like true story, there's multiple people who we've, affected here that, had medical situations that set them back, had financial situations, had business partner situations, had, significant other partner situations, lots of different ways that life can kind of mess you up. But like the majority of people, when I hear the different like kind of comeback stories in the Moon Gang that there are, within 6 months of usually watching the channels, getting into the crypto mindset course at least once, and then really paying attention, within 6 months, their whole situation starts to change.
yeah.
So, yeah, I think that's actually pretty amazing how fast crypto can really affect people positively. But there's also the opposite end of that, of course, the double-edged sword, right? Like
Right.
we were talking with one guy last night, won't name names or whatever, but he had done a lot of the right moves in crypto, but then he got kind of lured into the leverage game and then just basically just got it all jacked. So it's kind of like somebody was like, hey, here's how to, actually bet on something. And then here's how to like basically get the casino to take it all away from you. Like is like there's really bad advice there in crypto.